White's objective here is to kill black on the corner. So these two white stones might seem a little confusing, but it's actually not that difficult to understand what they're doing here, or how they can connect. This stone on the 2-2 point cannot connect to the outside. If you try this move, you'll be cut off like this, and white will all die very easily, and black will live. Connecting here will not work because black can cut off white this way, and white still cannot connect. So saving this stone is easier. Just pull back, and now this is actually not enough eye space, right? This is not enough eye space for black on the inside. Or if it's something like this is still a dead shape. If black plays here, white can just play this, and this will be a bulky 5 in the end. And black can't really come in like this, because white can either do this, form a bulky 5, or in this case, even cut black off at number 9. So black will fail if it doesn't threaten to capture these two white stones here. So what black needs to do is to try to put some pressure on these two black stones. And a good move to play is clamping here at a 2-1 point. This is threatening to play this ko, and white doesn't really want to play the ko. So white has to stand down here, and now black also stands down on the first line. What's going on now is that black is threatening to capture these two white stones. And if white chooses to save these two white stones, then black can extend and build a living shape this way. White can play this, and white cannot play this either. Black will be able to capture a bent 4 shape, which is a living shape. So white must give up these two stones and play this instead. So now black cannot build 2 eyes. If it kills these 2 stones, white can save these other 2 stones. If black kills these 2, then white can actually just play this, and now black is very short on liberties. You might think that there is a snapback at number 14, but black really only has 1 liberty left, and white can capture right here. So after number 9, black really has to choose, and black cannot get all 4 white stones. So overall, it's not that difficult. Just have to figure out how to pull back here at number 1 and how to avoid the ko when black plays number 6. Just stand down here to avoid the ko. Otherwise, black will be able to start this ko, and that is not the optimal result for white. I hope you enjoyed the pattern, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.